I am just going to give it to you straight. There are two kinds of people in this world. There are those of us who are short, and there are those of us who are less short. If you find yourself in one of those categories, then learning to program in Scratch is for you, unless you hate computers, which some people do. Scratch is an introductory programming language that makes it easy to write simple games and animations, and just you can do weird things. We will do that. In this series of 6 lessons, you will learn, maybe it's 6.5 lessons. In this series of 6.5 lessons, you will learn about the Scratch programming environment. You'll learn to make the computer do your bidding by using code blocks, so you do not need social skills. You will be introduced to the Geek of the Week in every lesson, except for the one lesson that I forgot to do it. And then we will make some games. By the end, you will have picked up a bunch of coding concepts that apply to all programming languages, really, not just Scratch. From here, I suggest you head off to lesson 1, and thanks for coming, guys.